This is exercise 3.2, using AppLocker to manage applications. Working our way through Lab 3, supporting Windows Store and Cloud applications, found in Supporting Windows 8.1 Lab Manual in preparation for exam 70-688, part of the Microsoft Official Academic course. In this exercise, we're going to use AppLocker to restrict access to an application. The mindset behind this is that AppLocker is a powerful tool that can control which applications can be executed on a computer running Windows. The approximate time for this lab is 10 minutes. So we're going to go back to our RWDCO1, and you see we are already in Group Policy Management Editor from the previous exercise. I'm going to go ahead and close out of this and maximize my group policy management. And we're going to right-click Default Domain Policy and edit. And then we're going to navigate Computer Configuration, expand Policies, expand Windows Settings, expand Security Settings, and go into Application Control Policy. And expand, and then select AppLocker. We want to click Executable Rules, and right-click and create default rules. Let's expand this. Create default rules. And this takes us to question 2, how many rules were created? We're going to right-click Executable Rules and select Create New Rule. We're going to click on Next. On the Permissions page, we're going to allow the action as already selected, and the user or group box, everyone should be specified. And then click on Next. On the Conditions page, we're going to click on Path and click on Next. On the Path page, we're going to type in C:/program space files /games /sol for solitaire.exe, and then click on Next. On the Exceptions page, we're going to click on Next. On the Name and Descriptions page, we're going to click on Create. Takes us to the next question. Which mode would you use if you want to determine who is using a program that you want to block without actually blocking the program? Alright, if you're following along in your lab manual, this would be where you would take your next print screen. And that is the end of this exercise and the end of this video. We're going to close out of our Group Policy Management Editor and then close the Group Policy Management console. That's the end of the video. The next video, we'll look at exercise 3.3, Managing Office 365.